So guys, thank you.
That is
Another fine job by Airedale, thank
there
you.
you go, look.
So, good morning, we're back. Well, I'm back anyway after giving everybody COVID. Whee! So yeah, first day back. We're just getting cracking now. Lads are just getting sorted, just on a little timber job today. Let's have a little look, lads are already loading up. Jamie, as usual, get your IVs on. Get your IVs on! So yeah, literally, last day I were here, I've pretty much just made everybody ill. We're getting all sorted. We've got a delivery of post mix coming tomorrow, so we've got loads coming. We're going to get all this through chipper today. We're just going to go out with lads this morning, show them job, because obviously it's one of my jobs. Get them all set up. We're just going to go to estates, pick the bits up, and we'll get out of here. So yeah, we've got another cabin coming. We've got all sorts going on, so there's a lot of work to be done, and not enough time, unfortunately. Jamie, get your IVs on. Good morning. So back to it. And look, Jamie's got no IVs on. Will you say that on the video I took of you this morning as well, yeah? No, it's definitely not. So we've just got a bit of timber fencing to do here. We're replacing this one and putting up some double-sided paling. This is feather edge and it's just so windy here, so I said double-sided all the way here, and then that'll open with a wind as well. So we're going to have a little section, gate what Jamie's going to build on site, and they're just going to put all this on van and I'll get rid of it today and get it out of the way. Well, a couple of busy days ahead of us, just getting all the yard organised and post mix coming. We've got 20 pallets of post mix coming tomorrow, so we need a bit of room. So I'm going to get alt timber gone out of the yard and alt scrap out of the yard, and then we're all ready for tomorrow then, and move everything around so we've got some space. But yeah, get these lads cracked off. We know what they're doing. Nice easy day for them today. They'll be done 12 o'clock here, 100%. Shame we don't have something else to bang in later on. But yeah, we'll get off and we'll see you later. Lads will get some pictures, some photos once they're done. They look a lot better than what it did.
So guys, thank you.
There we go, look. Got a nice bespoke gate there built on site as we do. Show you at back. Pretty simple job for us. All heavy duty furniture to suit. You're happy with that, aren't you, Andy?
Yeah, great job.
Right.
Thank you.
So, it was on slow motion. You don't even know what day it is. Right, good morning. We're here at Wibsey Conservatory Club and just getting van unloaded now, and then I'm going to be leaving them to it. So we're going to be putting in some Vmesh and 2 single pedestrian gates, probably a day and a half here. When we start it, well, they'll actually start in that corner over there. It's going to be going into the tarmac, so we'll cut holes in the tarmac, put the holes in. It'll be going all the way up here. Lads are just getting sorted now. It opens right where. Jamie, get lost. Jamie's got his IVs on for once, makes a change. And then we're going to be coming all the way up to this corner, coming down. About here we're going to have a single pedestrian gate, it's going to be opening towards us. And then down here we're going to be coming down this line here. And then we get to the corner of the building and we're going to be bolting a post to the corner and then fixing it onto the side here with our fence line going straight on. So like I said, day and a half here, they'll get cracked on here. I think Mark's got an appointment actually at Wibsey Primary School this morning, so I'm sure he'll be here a bit later on to see how everything's going on. We were all down at the gym at about 5:30 this morning, so we've already been going a long time this morning. Lads are going to get this sorted and I'm going to get out of the way and leave them to it. So yeah, we will see you later.
Yes, I'm just wet lads are here at Wimsey Con Club. I literally could have walked from where I've just been. It's literally just over there in distance, one straight road through here. Apparently the client wants some sort of overrunning straight here, so if you're wondering why these are out of the ground a bit, that's how the client wants it apparently. They'll just straighten them up a bit so it looks good to eye as well. And then we just got a gate going here, and then just going down there, and then there's another gate just going back of that smoking shelter. Nice and easy for them. Plenty on board, isn't there? Oh, they're there, yeah. Two gates we've had made are there, stood up ready to go for them. So, don't know what they're going to do this afternoon. So yeah, I'm off to meet Matt now and go and have a look for some gate motion jobs at some schools.
Morning, it's Thursday. We're over at Wibsey, working at Wibsey Conservative Club. Just finishing off. We started this job yesterday, but we got it pretty boxed off pretty quickly, so I think Mark had a day and a half, 2 days in for it, so we were sort of done for 2 o'clock. So we'll just come back to tarmac off because we didn't bring any coal there yesterday, so Maggie's just finishing these last 2 posts. So just a little bit of perimeter fencing, Vmesh, 2 metre high. They're having trouble with the motorbikes and some people coming in and stuff, so they've added a little bit of security with a couple of pedestrian gates here, single leaf gates. Bobbed the gating over here, just took this palisade out gate here. So secretary just been out, he's over at Moon. Nice snugly fit. We're just going to bob back as well tomorrow, and we're going to put some anti-climb spikes on top of here as a free bit, as a goodwill gesture. So yeah, everybody happy. Weather's holding out for us, so just going back to the yard now. We've got a little bit of prep work to do. We've got a new container coming, so we're going to go sort that out, lay some crush and run down, get whacker plate on it, so be with you soon. Right, good morning, just getting going. We're over at a school in Halifax, All Saints. I don't think we've been to this one before. Working on behalf of a chain of schools, a school at Gummersilk caretaker David, so not a big job. We're going to be putting some black roll topping, 1.2 metres, taking these railings out here. 2 minute baggy. We're going to be going in front of these railings, down here, just sort of segregating this little car park, down here, and then we're going to come back and retrofit a gate here. We're going to leave an opening with a size there for a gate, and I think there's talks of a double gate going there eventually. So let's get you on YouTube channel. Mark says get him on, he likes being on camera. That is
Another fine job by Airedale, thank
there
you.
you go, look. Right, we'll see you Friday, Dave. Good morning, we're over at Wyke in Bradford. Stop swearing, baggy. So, yeah, Justin has had a shocker. Anyway, we're kids are jumping over here, so we're just extending height with some, taking this bore top railing out, these gates here, and we're putting some prism mesh in, 1.8 prism mesh coming down in half panels, and then there's a pair of double gates going here. So we'll be back with you soon. Sent a little return there so kiddies can't get over. It's coming down in half panels.
But yeah, not bolt holes when they're open.
All right, yeah.
Obviously they don't swing down.
Now then, Well, that's Friday already. It soon comes round every week, doesn't it? But that's another week done at Airedale. Been a different week this week. We've done some timber, we've done some mesh. We've even started going to the gym at 5:30 in the morning. I've been 3 times this week, so for me that is pretty good. I've just got to keep it up now, hopefully lose a little bit off the tummy and see how we get on and start walking in summer. All good in the hood. I'm going to sign out here because I've just been busy doing paperwork and it's obviously very boring, don't want to film that. But we've got some interesting one next week. We're at a school in Bingley. It's a bit of a strange one this, it's actually going on a first floor roof. We've got to extend the poles up and then put some 358 prism mesh up for the SEN kids so they can't basically climb over. And so yeah, we'll get some good filming on that one and we'll see you next week.